Hello, welcome to another AWS learning. Um, Here we are looking to manage EC2 instances with System Manager. There are several applications for that. First thing is we don't need to have SSH connections or remote connections. Everything will be, the traffic will be internally, and then it's much more secure. At the other time, when we are looking to have access to our on-prem virtual machines, then it's possible to go with System Manager, and then it's good for like hybrid and multi-cloud solutions. So lots of different applications for System Manager and managing EC2 instances with System Manager. This now I'd like to show you how it works in a very simple way. Um, so let's go to EC2 instance and let's create one EC2 instance. This is my system VM, just to know that this is for that System Manager purposes. So Amazon Linux machine, and then T2 micro free tier eligible. So no keeper, right? We don't need any keeper because we do not have any SSH connection to that. We don't care if this is a test purposes, so we don't care about the networking side of that, but for us to assign a public IP address, let's leave it as it is. Let's leave it enabled. And then for firewall, we do not need actually any rule. We do not need any rule for the security group, so we can edit it, and then if you like, you can see all the parameters, but we don't really need to have any security group for that. And then for the storage, we can leave it as it is by default, but for the details, this is very important. We should have instance profile, and we should have a very specific permission in a role. So I will assign this role. So EMR EC2 default role. This is one of the roles that is defined in my IAM services, and then I will show you which permission should be added to this role. So let's launch this one. But in terms of role, let's go to IAM services, and then this is the EMR EC2 default role, the one that I used. And something that we should add is, for this one, let's attach a policy, and that policy is about SSM Manager Instance Core. So this is the policy that we should add to that role, to that instance role. So let's add it. So this is one added permission or policy that I added to the role. Now that EC2 instance is being created, right? System VM is being created and it's initializing. Now if I go to Fleet Manager, so if I go to Fleet Manager, then let's get started, and I'm waiting to see my instance here. If my node or instance is part of these managed nodes, then I can manage it with the System Manager. So I should wait for the instance to be initialized, and then I will come back here to show you the instance. Alright, so we have that VM is now running state, and you can see that is part of managed nodes, and it's online. Then there is an agent installed there, and all AWS images, they have the agent already installed for the session manager, and then that agent helps us to manage nodes. So this is a managed node right now, so as you saw, there is not any keeper for that and no security group. I can go to node action, I can connect, and I can connect with a terminal session. And this is, let's wait for that to be connected. Let's refresh it, and then let's go. It can be an issue with my access here, otherwise it should be connected to my instance very quickly. So let's wait for that. It should be very quick. Let's wait just to troubleshoot my system, and then I will come back. Alright, I did the troubleshooting. It was an issue with the console. Now this is the running instance as I showed you. Let's go to connect, and hopefully this time we have connection. Yeah, this is connect, right? So this is now EC2 instance connect with session manager. As you see in this managed nodes, we have that instance, and I could connect to the instance without any keeper, and then without any SSH, without any remote connection. I can start a session, terminal session, and connect to my managed nodes. I hope you enjoyed this one, and thank you.